welcome back to Adan's World of Wonder. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my farm and house and lots of other things that me and my mom crafted. Let's get started. Over here is a really pretty house, the farmer's house actually. It's really nice. It has 4 windows and they're pink and some has flowers. And there's a cat up there. The cat's name is Lily. And over here there are other people. That's Josh and that's Joe. And the birdie's name is Squeaky. I love this house. It's really fun to play with. I play with it a lot. And I love the color of the roof. It's a really nice color. And this turquoise is really nice. And I love these cute little curtains and the balcony. And it's really nice. There's also a doorbell and 2 lanterns, and the doors do open and close. And there's also a backyard that I'm going to be showing you up the back of the house. Yeah, this house has been used a lot. So there's this backyard door that opens and closes, purple and really pretty. Love this light color. And there's also a window that's purple here. It's really nice up here. And there's also a really long balcony, and it's turquoise and really pretty. And yeah, so here's also a nice tree and with some bushes, and here's a nice pink window with flowers, which I think it's really nice. I'm going to flip the house back to the front, okay? So it's really nice. I've used it a lot, and yeah, there's Squeaky, and so yeah, it's really nice. Love it. I love the balcony the most. And over here we have Joey. He's cleaning. He's holding, he has a nice blue hat and a red shirt, and he's wearing glasses, and he's also cleaning, and yeah. So there's Joey. Over here we have a really, really beautiful pond that me and my mom crafted. These are pom-poms. We used construction paper and we just really crafted it a lot, and it was really fun to do. So yeah, we used blue pom-poms, all sorts of different shades of blue, and yeah, we used blue construction paper too. And we have a mama duck, a daddy duck back there, and 2 ducks, and yeah, they're really nice, and I love them. And we just did the whole pond by ourselves, and yeah, it was really fun, and we enjoyed it a lot. So over here we have the barn with lots of animals that I'll be naming, and yeah, so here my mom hung this up, which I think is really cute, and yeah, so there you go. And in here we have a rooster, which is red. Here we go. Put it from there. Yep. So he's a really nice rooster. And yeah, so there's some hay over here. Here we have a horse who's just resting. You can see it right there. And when you open the door, I'm going to show you guys something. That happens. And there are also a few horses over there. And yeah, here there's a cow, and if you open the door, that's not work. Okay, well, it's supposed to say moo, and this door works though. And yeah, so here's the cow, and here's a nice horse. Really nice. And over here we have a sheep, and if you press this down, you can hear him. Yeah, it's really nice. Love the barn. It's really fun to play with, and yeah. And then up here we have this chicken. Yeah, that happens. And if you do it again. Okay. Well, it's supposed to say cockle-doo-doo-doo, but so yeah. And yeah, so that's the barn. And over here we have, if you open that, there's a big goat that I'm going to be getting out. Here's a baby goat and a big goat. So there's the big goat. This is from Little Tykes, and here's the baby goat. Really cute, and yeah. Just gonna put those back in. And here's a horse running, and there's the baby. The baby belongs to the mama that I showed you before. And yeah, that's the daddy, and yeah, they're running. It's really cute. And yeah, so over here we have this tree that you can see right there. We also have a stack of hay. It's really, really nice, and yeah, we also crafted this. We cut out round pieces of paper and we tied it up, and yeah, we wanted that to be hay. And here's a really cute rabbit. It's pink nose, and yeah, it's really cute. And we loved crafting it. It was so much fun, and yeah. So here's a horse, and it's eating some of the hay, as you can see right there. He's bending all the way down, and we used clothespins to make the border around there, and yeah, it was really fun to craft it. And yeah, I love crafting myself, and it's just so much fun. And yeah, over here we used pom-poms over here. And we used red pom-poms, all sorts of reds, sort of like the pond. We used different blues, except over here we used reds. So here's a lamb, here's a bull coming for hay, and here's a cow just minding its own business. And here we used construction paper, and we glued these two sheets together, and this is supposed to be grass. Over here there's a farmer, and he's bringing food over. So yeah, there you go. And yeah, so, and here is a dog. Yep, so that's the farmer's dog. And over here we have a little border. It's all the way around. We use string and clothespins. And yeah, so that is my farm. So it's really fun to play with, and I love it so much. It's just so fun, and it was really fun to craft, and yeah. So I'll also be doing more crafting videos with all sorts of different things, and I'll be doing lots of other videos, and yeah. So I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification button, and I'll see you next time. Bye!